Welcome back to Visitor Analytics, your all-in-one website analytics app for stats and user insights. In this short video, we're going to show you how to add the analytics tracking code to your 3DCart website. We've already opened the dashboard of a 3DCart website that should look a lot like yours. In the menu on the left, look for Settings, Design, Themes and Styles, and click on Themes and Styles. Another window will open. In the top right corner, look for the More button. Click on the drop-down and select Edit Template HTML. This will open the template editor where you can edit the frame HTML file by clicking on a small wheel under Action and selecting Edit. Now make sure to copy the tracking code from your Visitor Analytics dashboard if you haven't already. Paste it anywhere in the head section. We recommend to either paste it right after the first head tag or before the last one. Click the green Save button on the top right and you're done. Please keep in mind that in the future, if you want to change your 3DCart website theme, you will also need to add the code again to the new theme you install. So that's how you add the analytics code to 3DCart. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach us through the chat in our app.